I don't like this next best practice. I love it. This best practice, which is a discovery best practice, has helped us win more sales by itself. Client calls up and says, Mike, we're thinking about doing some of this and some of that. And the first thing I say is, we would love to be able to generate a proposal, but to really give you a proposal that meets what you're looking for, we'd like to have at least a 30-minute webinar to do a needs analysis. Well, who should be on that webinar? Well, any stakeholder that'll be involved in making the decision. And they said, it takes 30 minutes. And I said, yeah, we're going to send you a webinar link, and Jennifer will whiteboard everything that we hear, and we'll organize it, and then we'll be able to generate a presentation or a proposal that's specific to what you have. If I could convince you that if I could get you to start doing this, it would change your world. It amazes me that tenant rep brokers, this isn't standard operating procedure. Because a tenant could want 1,000 different things. Now in capital markets, when should I sell it? What should I sell it for? Should I fix it up before? You know, but you still want to do a whiteboard. But for tenant rep and corporate services, there is no possible way you can really develop a true client-centric presentation or proposal unless you whiteboard it. It is impossible.